I just would like to show you how you can add this token into your Ethereum wallet. Okay, first of all I would like to say thank you to Yusra, who provided us all these tokens and the details. As you can see my screen, these are the tokens, and I'm just going to show you how you can add into your Ethereum wallet. Okay, first of all you have to open your Ether wallet. The address is myetherwallet.com. I will mention below as well. When you go to the website, you have to enter your wallet, but come on this option where you will see on your right side it's view wallet info. Click on the view wallet info, then here view address only. Here you will write your Ethereum address. Click on a view balance. Okay, and after login you can come on the right side. You will see show all tokens and add custom token. As you can see, I have already added these two tokens. Now I'm going to show you how you will add the third one, just for an example, so you will come to know how it will work. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, this is my third token I'm going to add in my Ethereum wallet. Okay, so first of all I have copied this address and paste it here. Let me just add custom token. Okay, this is where are you going to click it, add it, and then tokens. Then you need to write token symbol and a decimal. You can see the symbol is SPS and then decimal is 18. Okay, so let me write it for you. SPS and then decimal is 18. Okay, and then just click on save. Unable to add the custom with the same similar existing token. Okay, maybe I have already added, so let me just try the second one. The next one mean to say okay, and then CSAT and then 18. Okay, symbol is 8 and decimal is 18. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's set. You can see it's showing here now CSAT 1000. So same way I'm going to add the last one as well. Here you need to copy this address again, click on add custom token, then token symbol. You can copy or you can type whatever you want. This is token symbol, and then decimal. Decimal is 2, so you can just type decimal 2 and then click on a save again. Oh, you can see it's added on my phone. So this is simple way how you will enter all these addresses into your ETH wallet. Once again, thank you Yusra.